Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome back. Got a tutorial for y'all today. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do alpha kicks. They're also known as apple jacks. But yeah, roll the intro. Welcome back, y'all. Before I jump into it, you know what you gotta do. Like the video, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, okay? I'm bringing y'all content, dope, fire tutorials. All you gotta do is like the video. It's an even trade. So, actually, it's not, because I'm out here sweating, busting my ass, you know what I'm saying, putting my body in harm for you. And all you gotta do is hit a button. So, that sounds good to me. So if you could do that for me, I appreciate it. Oh wait, I got some announcements to make. So I do a group skate class. It's a beginner skate class. I do it every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's only 15 bucks, okay? I also do one-on-one private classes at diamondskates.com. All the information is there. So if you need more help with your skating, or you kind of want to join the community and you are in the Tampa Bay area, make sure that you check that out. Let's get into it. So first things first, what you have to learn how to do. Oh, before we start, if you have any problems with your wrists, any problems with your knees, anything like that, do not attempt this move, okay? Don't do it. It's not worth it. All right, so if you have any problems, just hold off and for next week, all right? I'll have something else. So, first off, you have to feel comfortable sitting like this, okay? In this crouched position. Now, as you can see, my weight, I'm not back like this on my heels. I'm forward, okay? So I'm like, my weight is balanced on the center, like on the middle of my feet, okay? So, and my arms are hunched over, my knees like this. So get comfortable sitting in this position. Now, from here, we have to, oh shit. I forgot to tell y'all, stretch before you do this move, okay? So we're gonna be doing kicking and thrusting and yeah. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna stretch your quads, your hamstrings, all this up here. Stretch all this out, okay? Because if not, then you'll probably pull something. All right, I'm just giving y'all a forewarning. You can do it. You can do what the hell you want, but that's just my suggestion. All right, I got my mic hooked up to my phone because my other mic sucks. So I gotta use this one. Whatever. Do what you gotta do, right? Okay, so here's what we got to learn first, okay? We have to learn how to start from here, go back, okay? From here, your arms are going to come back, okay? Like this. So, boom. You're gonna roll your skates forward. Just a little bit. So from here, lean back, your shoulders are gonna come back, grab the ground, and then from there, your hips are gonna come up, okay? So let's practice that, slow. From here, boom. Now, some of y'all are probably doing the here, lean out, and then back. Now, you can do that, but your apple jack isn't gonna look as good as mine. I'm gonna tell you that much right now. All right, so what you want is you want your arms to hit the ground at the same time. I mean, your hands. You want your hands to hit the ground at the same time. Okay, so you want it to look like this. Boom. All right, and at the same time when you do that, you want your hips to thrust up like this. Boom. Okay, so when you're doing it, I guess act like you're kind of like humping the sky. I don't really know how else to explain it, but yeah, just one nice thrust to the sky. Okay, so from here, all right, boom. See how my hips are up, not like this? I see a lot of skaters, when they do it, their hips are down, or their arms are bent down, and they're like really low, and they're kind of doing this thing right here. Yeah, we ain't doing that. Well, I'm not gonna show you, y'all can do that, but that's not what I'm teaching. I'm teaching you how to do it right. Okay, So work on that. Work on going from here, boom, back, okay? Get used to doing that. Now you have to learn the kick. Okay, we're gonna start off. I'm gonna teach you as if I'm teaching like a kindergartner or something. You know, somebody that has never skated. So holding this position right here, I'm gonna use my right skate. You can use whichever one you want, or you can use both. But right now I'm just gonna use my right skate. So I'm going to kick up like this. Now notice my hips aren't dropping like this. You still want to keep them up, okay? So try that. Kick, drop, kick, drop. So I'm trying to teach you, if you've never done anything like this, for one, your arms. Your triceps are gonna feel it if you've never been on the ground like this. And also, if you're not used to being on one skate on the ground, that can be a little awkward as well. So work on that. Get comfortable just having one skate in the air like this, all right, and balancing on one skate. Okay, that's the next step. Now what we want to try to do is we want to try to get some power behind that kick. All right, now this is super, super important. This is usually where I can see if someone knows what they're doing when they're doing it or they don't. Because like I said, you'll see a lot of skaters, when they go to kick, their body will kind of like flex, or they'll kick, but then the power will go away. What I'm about to show you, you about to turn your leg into a hammer. That's what you want. You want it to whip, boom, okay? Like this. So you want it to go from here, boom. That's what you want. So in order to get that, you have to kick as hard as you can, all right? And you want to keep your leg straight. It's gonna stay straight the whole time. You're not gonna bend it up here or turn it sideways or anything like that. You're gonna keep it straight and whip it and let it act as if you're like trying to, I don't know, there's like a piñata up here, okay? There's like a piñata and you'll get $1 million if you can kick it. I don't know how else to like say it, but there's a piñata up here, and if you kick it, all the money comes showering down on you, okay? So think about something like that. That analogy works for me. It might not work for you, but yeah. So it's very, very important to get power in your kick, okay? And you get that power from up here, okay? That first movement that we were working on, this right here, boom. What you're gonna do while you're going back, okay? While you're going back, your leg is going to swing as hard as you can. Try to hit that magic piñata, okay? So let's try that. Boom. Okay? Let's try it again. From here, boom. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna see your leg flex up, swing, and then it's gonna wanna come back down, okay? Don't fight against it, let it happen. But what you want is you wanna try to keep your leg straight the whole time. So, boom, like this, because you want it to be almost like a bat or a hammer, okay? So you want to keep that straight, all right? So the last part that you want is the get up. So after you kick, what you're gonna want is you're gonna want to be able to swing yourself back up to the original position, okay? Now how I did that, this leg right here, I'm gonna swing it down, and as I do, I'm going to lean my shoulders forward as well as roll my skates back, okay? And also, while I'm doing my kick, when I come back, I'm gonna push myself like that. So can you do that? Try going, boom. You don't have to go all the way up, just boom. That motion right there, okay? So, your skate is out like this. Now once you bring it down, Boom, pull yourself forward. Up like this, back forward. Okay, so work on that because that is very, very important if you want to try to go into multiples. Now, if you just want to do one, you can just do one. But if you're trying to do multiple kicks, then you're going to need to be able to push yourself back up because that's the momentum that you want to jump right back into it, okay? All right, let's try doing two, okay? Just two. So we're gonna start here, all right? Go back, kick, up, boom, okay? Let's try it again. From here, kick, kick. All right, so try to keep in mind that whenever you're swinging your leg, that is basically throwing your body up and then your arms are throwing yourself back. So your arms throwing yourself back as you kick, your leg is throwing you forward. Back, forward. Back, forward. Okay? Now let's try to do three. Let's try to do 3 kicks. Okay? So here, 1, 2, 3. All right. Let me see what else. I think that's pretty much it. I think I explained everything. Well, y'all, that is pretty much it on the alpha kicks or the Apple Jacks. If you didn't get it today, it's all good. It's going to take some practice to get used to doing this movement. And remember, keep your leg straight, hips thrust, all right, and the magic little pinata, you'll be all good, okay? But yeah, I'll catch y'all next week. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment below what you want to see next, okay? I might start doing some more groundwork stuff. Depending on how y'all do this, I might show y'all how to do a double leg, which is with both legs up, okay? So depending on how y'all do with this, we'll see, all right? But I will catch y'all next time. Later.